Good morning class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy at home. So dear student, I Joy Singh, your maths teacher, and I welcome you all in a maths online class. So first of all student, take out your book and also take out your notebook, okay? So today I am going to start a new problem, that is problem set 5G, okay? It is given on page number 70. So dear student, take out page number 70. Okay, hope you all have taken. Now see the question. Find the question in each of the following division sum. Okay, it is also same like the previous problem, but here you are dividing by the 2 or 3 digit, and here you will be divided by the 4 digit. Okay, now see question. Find the question. Okay, find the question in each of the following division sum. This question you have to do in your maths notebook. Okay, number A, divide 3636 by 3. Okay, now see 3 I have written here, okay, and 3636 also I have written. Done. So divisor I have written here and dividend is here. Now see, in 3's table 3 comes in how many times? In 1 time. Okay, so 3 I have written. Now done, minus. So 3 minus 3 comes what? 0. Now 6, again 6 is there, after 3 6 is there, so 6 I have written. Now 3 in 3's table 6 comes in how many times? In 2 times. 6 3 2s are 6. Okay, now again 3, 6 minus 6 is 0. Again 3, 9 3's table 3 comes in once time. Done. Then again 0, 6 is left, so 6 I have written. 2 times 0. Okay, so means 3 3636 divided by 3 is equals to 1212. Okay student, this is your quotient. Now like this you see the next question. D, divide 4480 by 4. Okay, so 4 I have written. 4480. So in 4's table 1 time 4 comes, minus 0. 4 I have taken here. Again 4 comes in 1's time, 4. Then 0. 8 left, 2 time, minus 0. Now here is 0 student. Can you see? Here is 0. So 0 I have taken here. Now in 4 की टेबल में 0 कितने टाइम्स में आते हैं? तो इट कम्स इन 0 टाइम्स. So 4 zeros are 0, 0. Okay. So 4480 divided by 4 is equals to 1120. Okay, this is the question. So 2 questions I have solved. Now do it by your own. I'm giving you the time. Now, hope you all have done this. Now come to question number 2. Question number 2. 2 more questions are there that you will do by your own. Okay, student? Now, do the following in your notebook. Okay? Do the following in your notebook. Okay? In your notebook, up to H is there. So I am solving 2. Rest you have to do by your own. Okay? Now see. A 9 6 3 9 divided by 3, and B 6 2 8 4 divided by 2. Now see here, 3 9 6 3 9. Now in 3's table 9 comes in how many times? In 3 times. So 9 I have written here, done minus 3 3's are 9. Okay, so 9 minus 9 comes 0. Now 6 I have taken here. Now in 3's table 6 comes in 2 times. So 3 6 3 6. Okay, 3 2's are 0 3 3 in 1's time. 3 1 is 3. Okay, again minus 0. Now 9 left here, so 9 I have taken. 9 3's table 9 comes in 3's time. Okay, 0. So here answer is 3 2 1 3. This is the quotient. So like this, do it. Again here I am doing 6 2 8 4. In 2's table 6 comes how many times? 3 times. 0. Now 2 1. Sorry, 1 2 times. 1 time 0 8. Now in 2's table 8 comes in how many times? 8 comes in 4 times. 8 written minus. Now 2 4. 2 2's answer 4. 4 is there, 4 I have taken 0. Okay, so answer is 3, 1, 4, 2. So these two are like this only. You will do the rest question in your notebook. Okay student, so do it. So done student. Now see what is your homework for today. Write down homework. Complete problem set 5G in your notebook. Okay, आपको problem set 5G means this one. You have to complete in your notebook all the questions. Okay, now till then keep the learning, and I hope you are not having any problem while dividing this. आप तो डिवाइड कर रहे थे, ये जो है वो 4 डिजिट का डिवीजन है. सो आई होप कि यू ऑल आर अंडरस्टूड. Isn't it student? आपको समझ में आया? If you are not understood, then you can send me your number in WhatsApp, okay? And you can call me. And also student, don't forget to like and subscribe the video. So while you will subscribe the video, you will see all the notification of my video. So till then, goodbye, take care, stay home, stay safe. Bye.